So I got here a used starter motor for my Toyota 2JZ engine, and how do I know if it's working? This is what we need. So we have the motor here, and the motor should have two connectors. So this here will be the load. You also need a piece of wire. I got a big one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this piece of wire, I'm going to put it in here, and I'm going to screw this here so I don't have like sparks and stuff. Now I'm going to plug the positive in here. So be sure that this part is insulated, because if you can see there's a plastic piece. That plastic piece is what makes the difference between positive and negative. This plastic piece separates the body, which is negative, to the pole, which is positive. So if it doesn't have this plastic piece of plastic, you might not know if it's a positive or not. So it is in there. I'm gonna put my my positive thing in there. You need some battery, 12-volt battery. So this here is a charger. I don't quite know how this is called, but it's like if your car dies, you can start your car using this. And this is exactly what we are doing. We're starting the car. So put the positive in there, put the negative in the body. So just plug in the body somewhere, and now you get your wire. Find the other connector. Mine is inside here. I'm gonna find in here, hold the engine, and boom. Right? So you see this is coming out and turning. There you go. So I know that this is working properly. So this is how I test my 2JZ starter. Same thing for other starters. I mean, the only difference would be where those pins are located and how they look like, but I mean, normally there are two pins and they're all positive. The negative is in the body. I really hope this video helps you. Don't forget to leave the like button right here. Hit the subscribe. That helps me a lot, and I appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel. It's every day I have like a few subscribers, and it's getting better and better and better, so appreciate that. Do not forget to check my website, www.carmodsgarage.com. It's right here, and there's a bunch of merch in there, t-shirts. I'm gonna make some beanies too, because you know it's getting cold and stuff. It's gonna be cool. Alright, thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.